that's real good.
Hey, welcome to another video. So this video is all about what I've learned on the Slow to Pro journey so far. First thing that I've learned is bike setup is crucial. You need to know how your bike is set up, and if you don't know, take it to an industry professional to be able to set it up for you and make sure that your bike is set up. I mean, there's so many guys that spend money on aftermarket parts, but they don't service their suspension. Just get your basic setup of your bike right. Make sure that your suspension is dialed so that you know that your bike is not going to do any weird things or react in any funny ways, and service your bike. I mean, Motul products have extended the longevity of my bike so far, so just make sure that you take care of the bike that you're riding so that the bike can take care of you. Then on focusing on you is time on the bike. You need to know what the bike is going to do in certain scenarios, on certain terrain. How is your bike going to react? And you know you're not going to learn that unless you spend time in those scenarios. Challenge yourself. Go and ride at different scenarios and just start to slowly but surely progress your library of what terrains is going to do in certain things. Then on the third thing, and this is actually adding up to this more of the safety side of it, is your physical fitness on the bike. I mean, not being exhausted and then slowly being able to focus on your terrain and the racing and the speed that you're going out is crucial. So you don't have to join a gym, but work on your physical fitness. I was fortunate enough to join Taki's 222 training program and progressively increase my fitness and be able to be ready for the race. Fourth thing is on my nutrition side. Nutrition is a very, very tricky thing, but it was just basics. It's being fueled for the race, making sure that you're hydrated. Like, I mean, two simple things that I did was Winner's Energy from USN to my race pack. Having that during the race kept me perfectly hydrated through the race. And in my pit stops, small little Vuma bars. I think those things are perfectly fine. Just giving a bite of it before, while they're busy refueling your bike, and then heading out, having those extra carbs in your system to be able to go through that. And then lastly, the main thing is just to have fun. Go out there and enjoy yourself. If it's not fun, then you're doing something wrong. I mean, you'll be riding dirt bikes, yeah. So yes, we go competitive, and when it's race day, when we're lining up on that gate, it's race time. We're serious. We take our training serious and everything serious, but at the end of the time, you need to have fun. And I think I'm so blessed to ride with the guys that I do ride with, the Pepsin guys, all of those guys. I mean, going to these tracks with them and getting advice from them, little banter in between everyone, I think that's the best environment. And yeah, you get as much experience from all those people as possible. I mean, on the gate, as I was going to line up on the GXCC race, I quickly went to Ian Pepper. I saw Ian Pepper there and I said to him, Ian, any advice that you can give me now before we start the race? And he spent like 10-20 seconds with me, and as you guys saw, I got the whole shot. Just pulled a handful of front brake, the whole situation and scenario, everything got to me. But I mean, having a group of people that you enjoy riding with. But now at the end of that all, I wanted to thank all of you guys for watching, supporting the journey, following me on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, subscribing, being at the race. I mean, I've heard like so many people like cheer me on when I'm going through the pits, going outside. It was really so surreal to get the support from all you guys, and thank you guys for subscribing to this channel and growing this channel and follow me on this journey. This is only the start. So yeah, looking forward to some awesome content, some awesome races, some awesome adventures. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you guys in the next one.